In this video, we're going to talk about multiply by two-digit number. For example, we have 24 times 31. First, we will write the factors vertically. So it will be 24 times 31. Then we have steps for that. First step, we will multiply by ones. Now, we will multiply what we have at the bottom. In the bottom, we have 24. The digit that's in the ones is 4. So we multiply the 4 to the 1 and to the 3. Let's do that first. It will be 4 times 1, which is 4. 4 times 3, which is 12. Then, second step, we have to add a 0. Why do we add a 0? We go to the next line and add a 0 in the ones place. Why do we add a 0? Because the value of the 2 that we are multiplying now, the value of the 2 is 20. Since 20 has a 0 at the last, we will add a 0 for the multiplying the tens, and now we will multiply by tens. We multiply the 2 to the 1 and to the 3. It will be 2 times 1, which is 2. Then 2 times 3, which is 6. Now, the last step says add the products. Remember, we have two products here. The first product that we have, we got it from 4 times 31. The second product that we got here, we got it from the multiplying the 2, but remember the value of the 2 is 20, so we got that product from 20 times 31. Now, what's left to do is to add them together. 0 plus 4, 2 plus 2, 4, and 1 plus 6 is 7. So 31 times 24, or 21 times 34 in multiplication, if we change the place of the factors, it's same, is equal to 744. Okay, another example. Same, we have to write the factors vertically, but we have to remember something. This is multiplied by two-digit number. So the number that has 2 digits, we write it below, and the other one, we write it above. In here, 48 has 2 digits, so we will write 48 first, times 374. Now, same thing. We will multiply the ones first to all 3 digits now, because we have 3 digits. Let's do it. 8 times 4, 32. 2 raise 3. 8 times 7, 50. 6 plus 3, 59. Now, I'm going to write the 9, the digit that we have in the ones, and I'll raise the 5. Okay, now 8 times 3, 24, plus 5 will be 29. Okay, we multiply the ones. Now we multiply the tens. But before multiplying the tens, remember the value of the 4 is 40. So we add a 0 for that. Then we multiply the 4 to all of them again. And 4 times 3. Let's do that. 4 times 4, 16. I'll write 6 and raise 1. Now remember, that 3 was the raised one for the multiplying the 8, so we don't need it anymore, the 3 nor the 5. And 4 times 7 will be 28 plus 1, 29. So I'll write 9 and raise 2. Then 4 times 3 will be 12, plus 2 will be 14. Now we just add them together. It will be 2, 15, raise 1 to the next digit. 1 plus 9, 10, plus 9, 19, raise 1 again. 1 plus 2, 3, plus 4, 7, and nothing plus 1 will be 1. Okay, this example, I want you to pause the video and try to solve it yourself. Solve it in 3, 2, 1. Now, same thing, the factor that has 2 digits, we write it below, so 78 times 295. Okay, then 8 times 5 will be 40. 0, raise 4. 8 times 9 will be 72, plus 4, 76. So I'll write 6 and raise 7. 8 times 2, 16, plus 7 will be 23. I'll write 23. Then add a 0. Remember, we add that 0 because of the value of the 7. Then 7 times 5, 35. I'll write 5 and raise 3. We don't need those anymore. 7 times 9 will be 63. Plus 3, 66. I'll write 6 here and raise 6. Now 7 times 2 will be 14. Plus 6 will be 20. And we add them together. It will be 0, 11, raise 1 to the next digit. That one, 1 plus 3, 4, plus 6, 10, 0, raise 1 again. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 0, still 3, and 2. So 78 times 295, the product is 23,010.